Welcome. If you want to connect AirPods Pro to your Google Pixel 4a, at the first you have to open the settings, then move to the connected devices, click to pair new device, and then just simply open charging case of your AirPods Pro. And just wait until they pops on the list, and here it is. So simply click here to pair. And as you can see right now they are activated, they are connected. We can enter the settings, like we can, activate the HD audio ACC codec. We can also disconnect them and forget. And it sometimes happen that they are not appears on the list. So let's try one more time. And as you can see right now they are not on the list, right? So you have this problem. You have to rotate the case and then click and hold this button at the back of the charging case. So click and hold until it's going to blink on the white color. It is blinking, so we have to refer to the list. Let's go back, click to pair new device one more time, keep holding the button. And as you can see right now, we got AirPods Pro right here. So we can connect them second time. So there's two ways. At the first, they are just appear on the list. At the first time, oh, I just closed the case. Sorry, we have to keep open it in the pairing mode. So two ways they are, they pops on the list immediately, but in the second way you can also get it inactivated and you have to use this power button on the back of the charging case. So that's how we can connect AirPods Pro to your Google Pixel 4a. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.